We are here at the Alphonse residence for a repairability test. Wind damaged shingle. X marks the spot of the 3-tab shingle that I will be repairing. Be a 3-step process here. Removing the fasteners, removing the shingle, in progress, putting the shingle back in, and then what has occurred after the repairability test. The shingles surrounding it 1 through 7 will most likely be one of these shingles that get compromised during the repairability test. 5, 6, and 7. Once again, 3-tab shingle. There should be a fastener here. Upper fasteners for 7, 5, and 6 overlap the shingle that I will be repairing. During this repairability test, I will be using 3 components: 45-degree angle template, roof snake, and a hammer. We already have the wind damaged shingle here, so we're going to place the template underneath the shingle there to go by, and we will start the repairability test. Well, it blew through the shingle. Blew through the shingle on the installment. I can't even get the roofs. I can't even get the snake underneath the fastener. What in the world? Yep. So shingle 5. So you can see they've blown through the shingle almost straight to the decking. This is why I'm having a hard time, getting those fasteners out. So just want to make note of that. And they shot straight down to the decking. I don't imagine it's space decking because that's hard to get out. And they went out at an angle. That was the easiest one yet. Wow. All right. Shingles out. Shingles out, template still in, 45-degree angle. Kind of do an overview. As I mentioned, we can see here too, they blew through, and it's pretty much sitting on the decking. That's why it was so hard to get those fasteners out. That nail popped off. I got more, but this is a prime example of why it was hard. They had their the nail gun set up too high. Starting to see some fracturing, shingle 7 for sure. So this is in progress. I will now install the shingle back. All right. I'm gonna redraw because the granules took the markings off, and we need to identify what shingle has been compromised. So 5, 7, 6. So repairability test has been completed. Template 45 degrees still in. You can see clearly from here, shingle 7 has been compromised. Fractured at the top. Same with shingle 5. So that's 1, 3, and 5, 6, and 7. Moving on over, still shingle 6. So 5, 6, and 7 shingle has been compromised from this repairability test. We will now look underneath the shingles for some matting transfer, and that completes the repairability test. Let me get my, do a quick little overview once again, shingle by shingle. Shingle 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Once again, overview showing we're at the correct property. Thank you for your time.